Somebody sent me this clip of a dollar van bus driver in New York City, Brooklyn, Flatbush. The police is chasing him and him have a bus filled with people. It's 1 minute worth of scary ride for these people. I don't know if I should laugh or if I should cry, but this is a unique experience. Sit back and watch it, and then I'll come back in and talk. Let's go.
Yeah, I think you guys should calm down.
I would never forget that. I don't use them, you know. Yes, I don't know. The devil is busy. The devil is very, very busy. Stop the bus. Stop the bus and let's come off.
I'm taking a bad thing and I'm laughing about it, but it's not funny. I guess it must be a traffic violation. And anybody who knows New York City, New York City is a tough and rough and gritty place. It coming like Gotham. You ever watch Batman? The superhero Batman? New York City coming like Gotham. So most of them bus driver, dollar van driver are straight thugs. Coming just like Jamaica, coming just like Trinidad, coming like any capital city in any country in the Caribbean or in the world. But one thing with New York, you know, the police them reasonable. If that was some other city, the man they would have probably go jail forever, but I'm quite sure they reason it out with him and give him ticket and angle it. And next time, Mr. Dollar Van driver, don't drive with the people them like that. See, listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.